Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we are installing 2013 Mercedes-Benz GLK. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use the system and the feature that come with this fantastic system. Okay, this is the newest Android 10.0. It comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage memory. And you also support the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. You also use the octa-core, that means Qualcomm Snapdragon. That one also support the 4G LTE. This system comes with the GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth phone call, and Bluetooth music. Of course, and the GPS is built in. You do not need to connect any data or maybe Wi-Fi to use the GPS because GPS receiver is built inside the unit. Okay, first of all, let's start from the navigation system first. Navigation is very easy and straightforward. How to use the GPS? You just need to click on the bottom right corner and then new road and then address. You can just enter the address here. We also provide lifetime update, and also you also come with the screen protector here. We also come with the blue coating anti-reflection the screen. And also this one also support the original menu as well. You can see that the original menu is right here. Okay, as long as all the features gonna be exactly the same as before. Okay. Actually, every time when you use the system, you need to make sure the car is on auxiliary mode, AUX mode, AUX, okay? Otherwise, there will be low sound from the system. Okay, when you go to the auxiliary mode, click on the screen, and then you will switch back to the new interface. You can also use the command button, the original command button to control the screen here. Let's try the music. Oh, this is my favorite song. Okay. And then this one also supports the Bluetooth phone call, Bluetooth music as well. How to connect to the Wi-Fi? You just need to go to setting, Android, network. Then you can connect to the network Wi-Fi here. Okay, you just need to turn on the hotspot, and then you will be able to use the internet. Once you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can access many features like the Google Map here. This is the newest version of the Google Map. Okay, and this one also supports the internet browser. You can also browse the internet. Okay, other than that, you can also watch the YouTube. You can also change the frame of the YouTube to the dark frame. Okay, and then you can also watch the YouTube. The Tubi, that means you will like the Netflix. Okay, you will allow you to watch many movies here. And then you can also watch the movie from the USB as well. You can see that the resolution of the screen actually is very high. It's 1970 by 720. Okay, this one is very high pixel density. Okay, so basically you can dashboard here. You can also, this one also support the RPM. Okay, and the speed as well. Okay, you will also show up on the dashboard. Okay, you can also change the color here. You can change any color you want. Okay. This is very nice. Actually, you can see that you also support the backup camera and active guide night as well. You can also adjust the guide night here. Okay. This system also supports the temperature as well. Okay, so basically when you tune the temperature, change the temperature, you can also show up on the screen here. You can see that. Yep. Basically, that's it. This system can also be purchased from our website, www.autotecpro.com. If you guys have any question about this system, please contact us, AutoTecPro. We will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.